All right, guys, guess where I'm at today? Another nature walk. Let's go. Good morning, afternoon. Beautiful out here today. Lots of shade from the trees. Nice breeze. Not a lot, but just enough. Real cool. I love forests, wilderness, all that type of stuff. I'm a good old Wisconsin boy originally. It's funny, when I was like 11, 12, 13, that little range area, we actually stayed in an environment like this. Way out, Caledonia area. My backyard was like a forest. I was in there every day. We had a group of friends. We all pretty much went to the same grade school together. We built clubhouses, catch animals. We had a little zoo. Went to the store, got a whole bunch of pallets. Went to the hardware store, got nail screws. We were little hustlers. We're all mixed up, different colors, different races, just all friends together. We would collect cans, bottles, and shopping carts, take it to the store. The store was called at the time Piggly Wiggly. They don't have that here in Florida. But the lady knew us. We would come in with tons of bottles, cans, and she would just say, "Oh, just park it in the corner over there." We'll come in with pennies we found. Sometimes the lady was so nice she didn't even feel like counting the pennies. She would just give us $10, $20, stuff like that, and we would take that all towards our clubhouse. Buy little Debbie snack treats, sodas, and go to the hardware store and buy more nails, screws, and it was times that our parents used to come look for us. We'd be out on the weekend, and we built this fort, and parents, you can hear them calling us. Robbie, Ricky, where are you? It's 9 o'clock at night, school night. We're in the woods. So yeah, I've always been a fan of nature parks. Okay, let's go inside. Let you guys get a better look today. Oh, the snake's out today. How's it going? Look at him, he's actually out. Look at that. Wow. Eastern and dingo snake. He's a pretty one. It's funny, I used to play with stuff like that in the woods. Nice display. Yuck. Palmetto bugs. Yuck. Giant water bug. Back at home, we definitely would call that a roach on steroids. Definitely. Thank God I've never had to see nothing like that in our house.
No, all they've done is cybersecurity, and then
Look at the armadillo, guys. Cool. Baby gator. Wow. This is so cool. These are some of the birds you will see here. Let's start our walk, shall we? You know, going to nature parks and walks is it's a good thing. You know, you can do stuff like that when you have the opportunity. Great place to clear your mind, you know, good thinking. I feel personally, you know, great way to connect with God as well. You know, through prayer, things like that of that nature. I'm gonna take the ground trail. Okay, guys, we're definitely not trying to run into any gators or anything like that. But here's some of the things that's around here. You know, coyotes are nothing. We used to play with those. Actually, we had 2 coyotes as pets when we were younger. Nothing but dogs. Wild dogs, in my opinion. Very intelligent animals. Wow, it feels amazing out here.